Good day, everyone. You are all welcome to this podcast on public health service announcement. My name is Ngozi Meglin Ida. I am an online student of BYU Idaho University, USA. I'm here to inform you about a particular health tips on maintaining a simple habit of hand washing on a regular basis to prevent transmittable diseases like flu and COVID-19. Most people forget that their hands should be washed before and after some actions. Maintain good personal hygiene by observing the following 6 W's. When you visit the sick, wash your hands. When you use the loo, wash your hands. Toilet or restroom. When you touch animals, wash your hands. When you come back from work, wash your hands. Wash your hands before and after touching food or fruits. Wash your elbow with soap under clean running water for 20 seconds or use hand alcohol-based sanitizer. Stay safe. There's a story about Mr. Zigzag that works on a rig as a new employee but fell ill. The company decided to take him to the hospital after his test results. They discovered that he has an infectious transmitted disease that shows that he does not maintain good personal hygiene. So the doctor encouraged him to follow the 6 W's I mentioned above. After his treatment and cure, the patient continued to observe the rules on maintaining good hygiene on a regular basis. There should be more enlightenment on this topic, maintaining good personal hygiene. It helps those of the ages of 20 to 50 to live a healthy life. In fact, this is a fight for all to lead. Hygiene is a practice performed to preserve health, according to World Health Organization rule. Hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Personal hygiene refers to maintaining the body cleanliness in a bid to cope with the spread of diseases like flu and COVID-19 and other transmitted diseases. My quote is, "Health is treasure." Thank you for viewing and listening to this information. For more details, please contact us at meglin@gmail.com or CDC247, saving lives, protecting people.